Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add a new printer in Prusaslicer. Now this is going to be my plate on Prusaslicer, and to add a printer you can of course navigate through the printers option, which is going to be at the top of our screen right here. And to add your own custom printer, simply click on this drop down menu and then you want to select the add-remove printers. From here, it will then download the necessary components in order to delete or add the new printer. From there, it will open up the configuration wizard. So you want to navigate through the custom printer option. In here, click define a custom printer profile, and then you can simply select your own printer name. So in my case, I'm going to be naming this PLA generic, and then I'll click on the next button. From here, you then want to select your firmware type. So let's maybe select something like Clipper. Click on next, and then you want to make sure to put the right properties, for example, for the shape, for the size, texture, and more. Of course, click next once more. And once again, you want to do the same thing with the max print height. In our case, it's going to be 200 millimeters. Click on next once more. We have the nozzle diameter. Now for most printers, it's going to be 0.4. And also we have the filament diameters. Now the last step is going to be the temperatures. We have the nozzle and bed temperatures. So you could do the same thing once again, where you need to input the right setting. And from there, after clicking on next, you will be able to add your filament. And from there, you can now select your printer right here. As you can see, it will then be added under the user presets. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.